Hey, hello friends. Welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. So today we'll see about the e-invoicing concept for Europe countries. So currently I'm working in a project where we're doing the configuration for Belgium country only. Okay, so as discussed earlier, there are different way of submitting the data. I mean the XML data to the government authorities to different countries. So in case of Germany, it is through Regnag and through Haturapa in Italy. And for all the Europe regions, we need to follow the PayPal network. And for example, in case of country specific means Romania, we're using CTXML, and for Malaysia, we're using LHD and XML. And we know that for India, we're using that GST compliance framework. That is, we're using the IRN portal, invoice registration portal, IRP portal. Okay, so now in Belgium, I mean in the Europe countries, we are using the PayPal only. That's the authorized network connecting to the Europe government. We should go with PayPal only. There is no other middleware that we should use to transfer the data to the government portal in Europe regions. So if you speak about Belgium e-invoice, since 2023, the Belgium government is no longer accepting PDFs or paper invoices for public tenders. Instead of that, government is accepting the e-invoices which is sent through the European paper network, and it's mandatory for all the B2G transactions. Since 2023, it's mandatory for all B2G, business to government transactions. And now what's happening? For all the B2B also, it's mandatory now. It's mandatory for B2B as well from Jan 1st, 2026. That's why every country, whoever using that Europe countries, whoever doing the business in Europe countries, either it might be Germany, sorry, Europe countries, right? So it might be Spain, Portugal, Denmark, Netherlands, or Belgium. All the Europe regions should follow this mandatory invoicing for B2B transactions from Jan 1st, 2026. This is mandatory. Without the invoicing, they can't run the business. So every company or every partners are trying to implement the e-invoice for their respective Europe countries. Okay, now let's see the drawbacks of SAP in case of implementing this e-invoice concept. Limitations, I can say limitations. So there is no single solution in SAP standard system to fulfill this e-invoicing concept for all the countries. If you see that in yesterday's video, we discussed about one SAP node, the right SAP document and compliance framework. So in that SAP node, we have different kind of configurations, different setup is available for different countries. That means country wise we have different configurations needs to be done. There is no single configuration is available for all the countries. There is no single solutions available basically. So according to the country, we should implement the changes. And there is no single XML format available for all the countries, for all the regions or countries. So we have different built-in government integrations are there, like SDA for Italy and Facturapa. SDA is the government and Facturapa, right? So through Facturapa only we can transfer data to Italy, SDA, and PayPal for Europe regions. And for India, we're using that IRN. Like this, every country has their own way of receiving the data through one middleware. So every country using their authorized middleware, which is integrated through that government portals. So no built-in government integrations and no local companies validations. So due to these limitations, the SAP system, the consultant should involve ABAP team through the developments as per the country needs. So we need to do the developments as per the country needs, right? Some country might need the data to update this country. This Belgium means I need this data only, additional data. Apart from the initial SAP given data, they want to have additional data for this country. And other country requires some other data, right? This kind of deviations will happen, and SAP is not provided one solution for all the kind of requirements for different countries. So that's why we need to know the ABAP team here, and we need to recruit external consultants for each and every country, and we need to have third-party platforms that may or may not integrate with SAP systems. So these are the limitations we have in SAP to fulfill the requirement. So we should somehow need to fulfill the requirement with the client. Okay, next video we will see how in Europe the e-invoicing will work and what is the PayPal network here, how it will be used and how it will be configured. We will see step by step in next upcoming videos. That's it from this video, guys. We can catch up in the next video. Bye for now.